Hey, what's up, Dogecoin Holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and absolutely very urgent for all holder, because from last 7 day, from last 2 days, my friend, the Dogecoin is wake up. Not just unique Dogecoin, all cryptocurrencies will wake up and starting moving upward now. So I'm so happy to see this. But definitely in this video, I predicate this coin. I share my opinion and absolutely, my friend, video technical analysis. So let's start this brand new video. Kindly holders subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, my friend, this time the last 24-hour chain occurs 7.85%. The price is increased now, but definitely the last 7 days 26 point. My friend, I think 797% they fell down. So my friend, what's the reason, my friends, they fell down and really can last 24 last 2 days, my friend? This coin is starting moving upward now. So what's is possible, my friends, to upcoming time the Dogecoin will move upward or not? So let's get see, my brother. I will tell you, but kindly before I get start this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. The Dogecoin price, latest price, my friend, the current price is 0.22 USD dollar. The price come down from 0.7 to 0.22. It's a very bad fail, my friend, and exactly very huge now. But let's see, as you can see, whether after a fail, every cryptocurrencies will take a jump. So therefore, absolutely, my friend, you can see here after this fails, they will start moving upward now. So I'm really excited to see this too, especially after a long time, my friend. This coin is starting moving upward now. And June, I hope, my friend, at the end of June, they will give you a very good profit. I hope they will hit again 0.5 USD dollar just in only at the end of month. But kindly, just in only, you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, Dogecoin Holder. Please like this video and subscribe the channel. My opinion, please hold it. And what's your opinion? Please tell me in the comment box. And please like video. Allah Hafiz, take care.